Hi. So in this video, we are going to talk about the two timing functions which JavaScript provide. One is set timeout and other is set interval. In this, we'll take an example for the explanation. So timeout is basically it calls a function and it will time out after a certain period of time. And in set interval, it will keep on calling a particular function at set in period. So we'll demonstrate with example set. We'll set something like timeout, timeout function. First parameter will be a sum function. So we are going to create a function which says console.log inside timeout. And second parameter of this function is after how much period it is going to get timeout. So we'll specify 1000. It is in milliseconds. After 5 seconds, 5000, after 5 seconds, this function will be invoked. Console.log, I'll specify starting timing example. So I'll invoke this one. So starting timing, it called this function. It says it has to be called after 5 seconds. So what it did, it goes to the next step, call this particular function console logout, and after 5 seconds, it print the inside timeout. So we'll just demonstrate once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So it worked in this way. Just like set timeout, there's a function called set interval. So what it does, it will keep on calling of particular function for the certain period of time. So how to use, we'll say var I equal to 0. I'm just initiating a one variable, and I'll say set interval console.log ++y, and I'm going to invoke this function every 1 second. So if I call every 1 second, it will print, it will increment, and it will keep on going till we'll press the control C. So just an example, if it keeps on going, how to clear that. uh, so I'll just take var, take a timeout, time interval, and I want to clear this after certain period of time. So I want to set timeout in here, clear interval, and I'm just going to call this time interval in here. And after how much seconds I want to do, let's take an example after 10 seconds. So what it happens, this particular function will keep on calling every 1 second, and after 10 seconds this will get cleared. So let's put in a use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So it got cleared, the interval got cleared. Just like a interval got cleared, we have something to clear out the timeout as well. Let's take an example. If in this case we wrote down a big code, uh, something in here, something in here, and some bug appears, and which make our program got stuck. So what we can do, like we can clear that manually. This particular function should be called after 5 seconds. So something is happen, and our requirement is like, if we want to clear it after 2 seconds, how do we do? We'll just call out, we'll just take this value timeout, and we'll call clear timeout. And in here I'll provide this id, timeout id. So what it in here it is going to happen, it will call this function and immediately it will invoke timeout. So it will not call this console log inside timeout, because it will execute after 5 seconds, but I am clearing it out immediately. So in here, just it got cleared out. It never waited for 5 seconds. Whereas if I put a set timeout for this clearation, set timeout uh, 10 seconds, since this algorithm will run after 5 seconds, so it will clear out if it takes more than 10 seconds. In that case, this function inside timeout will be called. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, now inside timeout is called in here, because this will clear out after 10 seconds. If I specify after 3 seconds, then inside timeout will not be invoked. 1, 2, 3, and it got cleared. So this is how we can make use of the clear timeout, clear interval as well. Thank you.